Welcome to the Insights page tutorial in Abyss Fabric. Let's begin with the Component tab of the Insights page. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Query tab. This is where you navigate and apply filters. You can filter data by decks and paint blocks. Additionally, you can use the Equipment tag query to locate a specific asset or filter by properties such as service class, size, specification, or circuit ID. You can also refine your search based on corrosion or alarm levels. To the right, you'll see the query summary. By default, it displays the platform's full data set. It includes details like the line count by service group, showing the percentage of components on each deck. A corrosion level bar graph also categorizes lines based on corrosion severity. Below that is the component table, where queried lines appear. Click on a line to view detailed equipment information on the right side of the screen. Now let's move to the Point of Interest tab. Click on Point of Interest at the top to view the POI table. This table lists all the POIs on the platform, such as blisters, pitting, corrosion under pipe support, hot bolting, and paint damage. Click on any POI to open its details on the right. Use the Settings button to customize the table columns. The Filter button below the POI list allows you to refine results. Filters are based on fields from the POI's template, and you can add new filter fields by clicking the plus sign. You can also generate POI reports using the Add to Report button. Historical POI data can be imported via the Import POI feature, and the Export CSV button lets you download queried POIs as a CSV file. Finally, let's explore the Paint Block tab. Click on Paint Block to see all paint blocks associated with the platform. This tab summarizes POIs and displays corrosion and coating conditions by deck and block. You'll also find bar graphs that break down data, which can be filtered to show specific information. Below these graphs is the Paint Block table, providing detailed paint block data. This section includes the option to generate blockwork pack reports. This completes our Insight page overview. Stay tuned for other exciting videos from the Abyss Solutions team.